recognized him if he was?
Oh yeah, we would have recognized.
The guy we had informed us that if our bearings got wet, it was bad.
The one that we came over the border.
I never knew that.
I roller skate too.
Did you do BD for
No, it's the floor.
I actually, my agreement was not to skate in the rain or at night, so my bearings were fine.
I heard that. He's recording this.
So Deanna did all of my laps in the rain and at night.
And yet she still had a great
It's probably not even going to pick up the audio very well. It might.
With the facial expression.
WD-40 and those kids.
What?
Are we wanting real food?
I slept
Define
most
real
of the
food.
time, but
Well,
Other than starters?
yeah.
this year the maintenance is not as extensive.
Probably not at the bar.
Yeah,
I thought we couldn't.
maybe one time.
Probably not at the bar. What do you think about calamari? Always good.
Good too.
So calamari, spinach fondue, goat cheese, pizza. Yeah, the wild mushroom pizza looks good.
Amy, how come we never see you?
Come play with us. We're trying to.
I like it. I like it. It's been less than effective. What is he doing? Video camera. Video camera.
Krista fall over.
10-hour video.
I'm not.
Oh, ow.
What's up? Should we recreate our dance in Montreal? Do you miss that? Did you miss it this year? Did you? Hi. Okay, you put it away.